Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post thread on Instagram stories. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open thread application, and here you can see different threads. So if I want to share this thread onto my Instagram story, you simply need to click on this plain like icon, click on that, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on add to story, and now you can see that it switched me to the my Instagram story, and here you can see my thread, and here you simply need to click on share icon here and click on share here. So this is a process by which you can share your thread on Instagram story. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.